Hey guys, this is Kim with Wisdom Healing Tree. Today we're going to do some pendulum readings on dreams, visions, and astral traveling. So let's get started. Are dreams, vision, and astral traveling all the same thing? Maybe. Thank you. Do all people do work on the astral plane? Yes. Thank you. Do all people dream even though they don't remember their dreams? No. Okay, thank you. Can it be dangerous to go on to the astral plane? Yes. Thank you. Are dreams a way for people to see loved ones? Yes. Thank you. Are dreams a way for people to work out their day-to-day problems? Maybe. Thank you. Are visions a way to show someone a possible timeline? Yes. Thank you. And those are our questions for today. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments. And remember, this is for entertainment purposes only. See you guys later. Thanks.